playful purr. D is for drum, feel the rhythm stir. E is for elephant, big and sweet. F is for fish with fins and feet. G is for gift, a box with a bow. H is for hat, that we all know. I is for ice cream, cold and fun. J is for jelly, wibble wobble run. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a roar and sigh. M is for moon up in the night. N is for nest with eggs so white. O is for octopus waving 8 arms. P is for penguin with chilly charms. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow that arches down. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for turtle, walking light. U is for umbrella when skies turn gray. V is for violin, we love to play. W is for watermelon, juicy and red. X is for xylophone by the bed. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes and a crown.